Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn in UI/UX design, and today's is learn as a create a high fidelity design and a prototype in a Figma. First, as a foundation skill to build a mockups in a Figma. For what is the mockup? Mockup is a detailed visual designs of applications or as a website, and it is so the how the final products will look, including the colors, font, image, buttons, and the layout. Mockups is create before the development is begin, and first is a learn of Figma's interface as a before the designing as a understand the main parts of Figma's. First, as a toolbars. Toolbar is a constant design tools like frame, shape, text, and the moves. And as a layer panel is so all the object in a create your the design. And canvas is main areas where you create your the design. And the properties panels is used to change color, size, font, spacing, and the effect. Example is create a mobile screens and as a edit its colors or the size using the properties panels. Give the step to create a mockups in a Figma. First is open the Figma and create a new file and add frames like mobiles or as a desktop, and draw the layout using the shape and add the text, insert the image and the icons, apply the colors, align all the elements, and use the auto layout where as needed, and create a reusables components, and as a connect the screens using the prototypes mode, and as a preview and as a shares in a design. As a frame tools, frame is screens where you create your the designs and use as mobile app screens, website pages, and the tablet layout. Example is a select a frames and a choice the Android, iPhone, desktop, anyone. As a give the shape like shape are basic building blocks of every designs, and common shape is rectangle, circles, lines, arrows, and the polygon, and use as buttons, card, and icons, background session has to create in our designs, and show the image to as a click the shape buttons, and the many shapes is there, anyone has to select and give the designs. As text tools, as use the text tools to add the text, and you can change as font styles, font size, font colors, so bold and for the italics, and the text alignments, and the example is the heading is welcomes and the buttons is to login, and the text is changed as font families is changed in the topographies first menus, and as bold italics has to select in this parts, and as a size to change in the font like this, and as a line height and the light sorry as a letter spacing has to change in these parts, and the alignment has to change and set the alignment in this part. And as colors is make the design as attractive, and the tips as use the two and four main colors and keep same colors across all the screens, and ensure the text is easy to read, and the example as a blue for as buttons, and the white as a backgrounds, and the black is the text, and so as to select the colors like anyone has to click and set colors, and after as a hexadecimal code to gives in this click the buttons, and after the percentages to gives, and select more options like images has to select, in the colors to fields, and anyone has to select image and icons. And the image and icons is improve the user interface and use for as user profiles, product image, menus icons, setting icons, and as always is use the clear high quality image and the action to clicks, and anyone has to search the icons image, and it just show the icons image and asset and the plugins and the wizards has to show in this part of Figma's layers. As every object you add has become the layers, and the benefit is organize your the designs and make editing easier, and help as move the object independently. Example as backgrounds, buttons, text, and the icons is anyone has to give in the designs. And as a alignment is keep the everything is neat, and using the alignment tools to the center object and the align the left or the right and keep the equals as a spacing. A proper aligns designs is look as a professionals to show as the designs for applications and the website. As a auto layout is automatically arrange the items. As a benefit is equal spacings, as a easy resizings and the responsive designs and the faster editing. And example as a list of the buttons is automatically adjust then a new buttons is added. And as a components are as a reusable designs element, and example as buttons, navigations bars, cards, and text field. And the benefit is if you edit one component, and the every is copy and update as automatically. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.